Ingenuity, enterprise, vision, passion, creativity, drive. Words often used to describe people who turn commercial ideas into profitable enterprises. Today, modern India as we see and hear of it is built on these successes. What remains in the shadows are stories of other equally inspiring people who have used the very same skills to tackle poverty, illiteracy, lack of basic amenities. Social problems which most people look away from, don't care or do anything about. Unlimited presents 3 stories of people who don't wait for change to happen, who are change makers. Amit, founder of Jamghat, a group that uses theatre to enable street children to evolve as self-sustainable individuals. Nikita, who has a dream to provide innovative solutions to tackle the lack of infrastructure in night schools. Swati, Shweta and Sunisha, founders of Toy Bank, a group that helps children from underprivileged backgrounds find their lost childhood by recycling toys. Individuals who rise to the challenge they see before them, not to make money, but to make society a better place.
Through the community service in the 8th standard, I went to a lot of homes and orphanages and places. It was just that their lifestyle was so different from ours, and it was like an eye-opener. I just decided that this is it, I have to do something. I mean, Sunisha and Swati were always my friends. I just told them that why don't we just take some toys and distribute toys.
Actually, I'm a civil servant, but I got thoroughly bored with my administrative career, and I've always been interested in social issues. I decided to work with a couple of NGOs. The project was to identify domestic workers from the day schools and the night schools, and that's when I hit across this problem of night school children.
जमघट का शुरुआत 2003 में हुआ और प्रिंस चार्ल्स आने वाले थे। एक्शन एड ने अप्रोच किया कि क्या आप बच्चे लोगों के साथ प्ले करना चाहते हैं। प्लान ये था कि पूरे ऑल ओवर इंडिया में ये प्ले जाएगा, पर एक्शन एड का ये कहना था कि हम सिर्फ 3 महीना तक ही इस ग्रुप को सपोर्ट कर सकते हैं क्योंकि हमारे पास पैसे नहीं हैं। बच्चे लोग का मन था साथ में रहने का, और दूसरा वो किसी और ऑर्गेनाइजेशन में नहीं जाना चाहते थे। उस समय तो सिर्फ यही आया था दिमाग में, अगर मैं छोड़ देता तो शायद बच्चे लोग वापस उसी जगह पे चले जाते।
Single-minded in their quest, they constantly face resistance, obstruction and roadblocks. Problems which have to be resolved before their vision can turn into reality.
We need someone like to be full-time to run it. We're not able to really concentrate and focus so much that we want to, but if we don't work, we won't be able to earn our bread butter and we won't be able to pump in money into Toy Bank.
3 साल कैसे सस्टेन किया है जमघट ने, ये एक बहुत बड़ा चुनौती रहा है हमेशा से।
The biggest hurdle was monetary hurdles. The funders were more concerned about the longevity of the thing, and of course feasibility was the next somebody had to oversee this. Although I myself did take the responsibility, but they were not convinced about it because it was not an NGO.
Today, these stories are on their way to becoming living testaments of the fact that individuals can make a real difference.
When Toy Bank actually happened and I actually went and saw the children firsthand, it was mind-blowing, I could possibly say. The kids are so amazing, they are so talented.
We have a database of over, 5,000 odd, 7,000 odd kids. Their names, their ages, what they want to do when they grow up. Someday, hopefully we fulfill some of their dreams.
अभी तक 14 बच्चे अपने ज़िंदगी में सेटल हैं। सेटल मतलब या तो वापस घर गए हैं, नहीं तो काम कर रहे हैं, और जितने भी बच्चे हैं जमघट में, वो सारे बच्चे उस जगह से दूर हैं जहां पहले वो थे।
Motivated by the vision that a small project can make a difference, from it a network can grow, a movement can flourish, the world can change.
Now the three of us are focused on a curriculum, calling it the Toy Bank curriculum. We want to make dance, drama, music, cultural activities and writing skills and making them more pragmatic towards life.
जमघट इस तरह का फैमिली चाहता है, चाहेगा, और फैमिली इसलिए क्योंकि फैमिली वाला जो अटैचमेंट है वो घर और मेन स्ट्रीम में लाने में काफ़ी मदद करता है.
I want to lead this entire research into some kind of potential solutions in the form of a mobile lab, which is a dream that I want. I want that dream to come true, of a kind of a mobile library or or some kind of mobile van which would cater to their food need.
Unlimited knows there are individuals like these in India. The evidence shows that with support and cash assistance, these individuals and their ideas become even more potent and inspiring.
जिस तरह का सपोर्ट मैं सोच रहा हूँ और ढूंढ रहा हूँ वो सिर्फ ये कि जमघट कैसे सस्टेन करेगा और जमघट एक बड़े पिक्चर को कैसे इम्पैक्ट कर रहा है.
We want to open chapters and spread Toy Bank to other cities because there are villages all over India. And we want to actually go out of Bombay and hit across those villages.
I realize that they're just dreams, they're just ideas with me. So if I get support in terms of how to go about, maybe in a more professional manner, to kind of give a proper practical shape to this idea is what I guess has been a biggest hurdle. I feel that night schools are a deprived lot and we have to respect their aspirations to study.
With your help, Unlimited will seek and support more people like Amit, Nikita, Shweta, Sunisha and Swati. More individuals with ideas and energy who through their skills will go on to develop projects and help claim a better future for India.